the top 5 biggest snakes ever discovered in this video. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's start the video. Number 5. African rock python lives in temperate grasslands and tropical forests of Central Eastern Africa. Rose to about 23. These giants were round too. Old dark blocks. You'll also find them except during the season when they feed on monkeys, pigs, monitor. Large crocodiles, goats, rodents and humans have been found in the bellies of these massive doors during the dry season to save energy in October 2021 of the largest African. Contrary to the earlier belief that the snake bite or attacker restricting the snakes aren't aggressive, would take it off as a last resort in Florida between 11 to 47. Number 4. Green anaconda. The green anaconda, the heaviest thing in the world, leading up to 551 pounds and growing as long as the whales are watching. But it doesn't count the male species. Is this aquatic snake lives in the tropics regions of South America. They're often referred to as this. They spend most of their life. They get their name from the black patches. Their nostrils and eyes are on top of their head, allowing them to hide their bodies. Document when anacondas are more active because they have heat-sensitive bits that make them after suffocate your brain and they swap. Despite the picture many Hollywood movies have painted about this creature, they don't prey on humans. They target fish and turtles, their sexual lives, because after the females often eat the man. When the stakes are high, work, your tone matters. Match for it remains a wonder how they were able to grow. Some snake species has been able to. Let's find out why. Number 3. Today compares to the species lived during the Paleocene epoch and was unmatched, and scientists say they reached over 25 or fossils of the Titanic. First discovered this animal wasn't large, but had lots of unique features after analyzing the scholarship. So I disagreed the atom with the servers, which means they consume fish. An average human measures between 5 to 6 feet tall, is around 150 to 200 pounds. This means that this thing is roughly 8 times larger than an average person. You can also compare this mammoth to a skull. These bosses are shorter than the average titan. Above the snake ingredient, although mistake in this family are often large, compared to the size of the title. To put it in perspective, and then the content is only the size of this next. Animals have a similar diet fish turtles since they live in similar environments. However, the sizes of their prey differ, and you can understand why the fish and their buildings are larger than. Number 2. Indian python is a large venomous python species from the python. They're endemic to the tropical and subtropical areas of the Indian subcontinent. These python species are found there, sometimes rivers, valleys, marshes, woodlands, and foothills. They require a permanent source of water. They differ from similar species due to their yellow-white coloration mixed with dark brown spots. As of October 2001, they were less than as a near threatened species because our population is the state spends most of its time from its natural habitat. Its common food sources include various reptiles, birds, and sometimes fish. Using the construction, the predators resist their predators, tigers, lovers, eagles, or crocodiles, whatever they become. You can python grow to about 9.8 to 12 feet long and mature. However, some species have been seen in the wild measuring up to 15 and 21. Researchers are still verifying the authenticity of this claim, as witnesses aren't trustworthy reporters. Number 1. Reticulated python, regarded largest and heaviest taken to pasture size. Aside from its weight and size, it's identified by its multicolored skin, blends with the jumble. It also pulls out a diamond-like solution. It was listed by the IUCN as a species of concern, ending its population. The species used ambush tactics to strike their pregnancies within their victims. Aside from juveniles, they don't have their biggest FPS yet, for their skin goes up to 10 to 14 people. There are reports of some of them going into 20 as animals that have killed. Humans need to be cautious as they're willing to kill if the opportunity presents itself. Until next time, I hope you like this video and subscribe my channel. Top notch mystery, and press the bell icon. Thanks you for watching.